Right now, I already recorded this once and I ain't really on this run. Let's go enthusiasm. Okay, what's going on, everyone? It's Jay back with Bahamas Street Car Culture, and today's video is actually to give an update on my Agent SI, which is off camera right now. But first, I want to talk to you guys about these two RSXs right here. So, many of you know, or may know, that this is my 2004 Acura RSX. You could see it, you'd probably seen it on the road with the black hearts on it, loud exhaust, lowered. It was very pretty. But since May, it got into a car accident and it's been parked here in my yard for that long. And I had actually picked up this $300 parts car for a steering rack, and I have the steering rack sitting right here. It's heavy, girl. So this is the steering rack that came out of this RSX, and I replaced it with the one which was in that. Now, since then, like I said, I have gotten into an accident, and now I'm thinking of putting everything from here over here, which includes the front suspension, the ECU, the ignition, and other little trinkets and stuff like that, which is very possible. This car came with a spare K20 A3, which is the engine and transmission, which is from this car. So from this vehicle, to make everything work here, I would need the exhaust. Like I said, the front suspension. I do have some rear low control arms here that I can make work over here. And then I would need a new front end for this one, because the frame is very, very straight. It's really good. I need a set of mounts. And that should be it. And the car should be running. Now, there's a K20 A3, like I said, sitting on the floor over here. And I actually did get the 5-star 16 by 7.5 that came with this one. And we can see how it goes. Let me show you guys everything. Don't feel left out. I'll show you all everything. So this is the old RSX. Here was the initial hit to my driver door, and I ended up sliding and hitting the wall. Very dramatic fashion. Uninjured I was uninjured in the accident. Praise the Lord. And this is the parts car, quote unquote. The body is pretty good. Over there is a K20 A3. I've had it sitting on the floor, but we could get that cleaned up. No problem. Get that cleaned up. And I, like I said, have all of these right here, which I would paint black. Here's the rest of the body. And the interior does look pretty nice too, compared to what it would usually look like from a car that's been sitting for a very, very long time. Now, like I said, the front suspension on this one has been pretty much untouched, so we could absolutely make something work. So, first step would probably be to try and move this one backwards a little bit so I could have some space to work. Now we're going to move on to the current new stress of my life, which is this Honda Civic Agent Si. So right now it's down. The problem with it is I need some new motor mounts, which I have ordered. So I've ordered a Hasport T-bone for the passenger side and the rear, and then I've ordered a stock mount with the bracket to fit the T-bone mount. And I have to pick up my front mount with the hard inserts so that this motor could sit properly, so it could stop tearing these belts up. It is still running. It has a misfire, and I need to remove the intake manifold to get welded at cylinder number 4, which is causing a misfire. And then she'll be running good as gold. Fingers crossed, because you know these cars always have some extra issue going on. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. something short, just a little update. Let me know if you would like to see the series of me rebuilding the Acura RSX, because there are not much on the road, I think, worldwide. So it'll be nice to bring it back. I've owned this car since December 2022. And it's really the first car that got me into building cars. I'll pop some stuff up on the screen as the video goes. But thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.